Hello my friend and welcome to my channel. I recently did a video using the Sally Hansen nail prisms in the shade Golden Tourmaline, and got a lot of people talking about how, you know, old polishes can be great and all that. But one of my friends here, Miss Connie, said she would love to see my collection, you know. So I thought I would go ahead and break them out and swatch them. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 of them. So I was pretty on point with guessing that I had 8 or so. I have Amber Ruby, and then Pink Rose Diamond, Ruby Diamond, Fire Opal, as well as Blush Diamond, and Cinnabar, White Diamond, and then this one is South Sea Pear. And this one's got a sticker. I guess all of them had this rainbow in every bottle. So I thought I would swatch these out real quick. I am going to do a voiceover for the rest of it so that I can speed it up a little bit. And we're going to get on into these. Alrighty, the first one here is South Sea Pearl. And the first two look very similar, but one of them's got like a gold flash, and then the other one has a kind of a pink flash. So that was White Diamond, and now we're on Cinnabar, and then Blush Diamond. They are rather similar, but you'll see a little bit of a difference maybe when that second coat goes on. And then Fire Opal. I tried to put them kind of like in a gradient order from lightest to darkest, but I do mess up here in a little bit. And then we have Ruby Diamond. And by the way, I'm not swatching the one that I wore. See, here's where I messed up. But in the bottle, they look so different. This one's Pink Rose and Amber Ruby. And it's kind of sheer, but, you know, it's going to be just fine. So we're back to South Sea Pearl. And this actually would be one of the kind of polishes that I would say I'm not real crazy about. But I actually like this one. And then now we've got White Diamond. And now you can see a little bit difference between those two. That one's a little more pink. And then Cinnabar. Cinnabar. Made me want a cinnamon roll or something. And then now we've got Blush Diamond. Second coat of that. And I'm telling you, those little skinny brushes just trip me out. Fire Opal is next, and that's just really pretty. Now, some of them you can totally see a lot more holographic in than others, but they're just all really pretty. And then we've got Ruby Diamond, second coat of it. And, you know, if Sally Hansen could do this back in 2002, why aren't we seeing more of this out of other mainstreams? Look at here, this Pink Rose, beautiful scattered holographic. Gorgeous. And then Amber Ruby again. Now I am going to do a coat of black on that empty nail right beside this one so that I can show the Amber Ruby over black, because y'all know that's how I wear a lot of polishes like this. So here we go. I've just got a black cream down, and I'm going over it with the Amber Ruby again. And you can see it does darken it up, and you know how I feel about those special polishes. So I've got some up-close swatch photos. South Sea Pearl, White Diamond, Cinnabar, Blush Diamond, gorgeous. Fire Opal, totally a favorite. Ruby Diamond, Pink Rose, and Amber Ruby. So I hope you enjoyed this. Leave me a comment down below. I always love hearing from you. I want to thank you for watching. Until next time, be good to yourself.